Hi everyone, my name is David Rivera. I'm the General Sales Manager here at Conicelli Toyota of Conshohocken. Just wanted to thank you for scanning our QR code that we have here featured on one of our vehicles down at service. We just wanted to extend an invitation out to you. Number one, thank you for being a service customer. We just wanted to let you know that we have plenty of inventory. The most inventory that we've had on the ground right now is pre-COVID. So we have plenty of inventory. We have RAV4s, Camrys, Tacomas, Tundras, whatever you can think of, we pretty much have. And we just wanted to extend out an invitation. If you're in the market or remotely thinking about getting into a vehicle, please, my extension is listed here below. Feel free to reach out to myself, or if you feel more comfortable reaching out to the service advisor, they can reach out to us here at the sales department. We can bring down a vehicle of your choosing, whether you're interested in a Camry, Corolla, RAV4, anything that we have in stock, we'll be more than happy to show you. You also would qualify if you have a service that's getting taken care of today. We can give you an extended credit of $25 off of your service bill if you take a test drive. Also, even if you have a service bill, let's just say you might have a high service bill and you're thinking about trading in your vehicle, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to have your vehicle appraised that same day. We can work up figures for you, try to get you a great deal and make you happy and get you into a new vehicle. I just want to thank you again for scanning this QR code, and thank you for being a Conicelli Toyota service customer. We look forward to helping you.